Hello students. Children, I have already forwarded a video reading the lesson. A lesson in kindness. If you have not watched it and read it, then please do that first, and then only you can understand the story. Mr. Roy was reading the newspaper in his room on a Sunday morning. He watches a boy in the street out of his window. This boy takes out the sandwich from a bag hanging on his shoulder and starts eating. Just then, he shows the sandwich to a little dog and asks if he wants to eat. Mr. Roy watches a boy asking the dog if he wants to eat the sandwich. The hungry dog comes close to the boy and sits on its back leg. मिस्टर रॉय अपने रूम में बैठकर न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहे थे और वहाँ से उन्होंने देखा एक लड़का रोड पे खड़ा था। उसने अपने बैग से सैंडविच निकाला एंड उसको खाने लगा सैंडविच। उसके बाद उसने एक छोटे से पपी को, कुत्ते के बच्चे को वो सैंडविच दिखाया। मिस्टर रॉय ये सब अपने रूम से बैठकर देख रहे थे। Just then, instead of giving the dog anything to eat, the boy kicks the dog hard in the belly, due to which the dog starts yelping. Seeing this, Mr. Roy decides to teach the boy a lesson. Mr. Roy ने ये सब देखा और उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि वो उस लड़के को सबक सिखाएंगे। Now see what happened. In order to teach the boy a lesson for hitting the dog, Mr. Roy comes out of his home with a stick and chocolate bar. When he called the boy in a very kind manner and asked him if he wants to eat the thick chocolate bar, Mr. Roy ने उस लड़के को बुलाया और उसे चॉकलेट के लिए पूछा। वो अपने हाथ में एक स्टिक और चॉकलेट लेकर आए थे। The boy gets happy and says, "Yes, he wants that chocolate." He says, "Yes, I want this chocolate." Mr. Roy decides to teach the boy a lesson. He asks him if he wants a chocolate bar, for which the boy puts his hand forward. Mr. Roy, instead of giving him a chocolate bar, hits him very hard in his hand with a stick, which makes him scream out of pain. He then, in an angry manner, asks Mr. Roy the reason for hitting him, even when he didn't ask for chocolate. Mr. Roy ने उसे चॉकलेट के लिए पूछा और जब उसने यस कहा, हाथ अपने आगे बढ़ाए, तो मिस्टर रॉय ने स्टिक से उसे हाथ में जोर से मारा। मिस्टर रॉय आस्क्ड हिम व्हाई डिड ही हिट द डॉग। उसने मिस्टर रॉय ने उस लड़के से पूछा कि तुमने उस डॉग को क्यों मारा। When the little dog didn't ask for his sandwich, उस डॉग ने आपसे सैंडविच के लिए नहीं पूछा था, तो आपने उसे क्यों मारा। मिस्टर रॉय taught the boy a lesson. God made all things. Love God's things and God will love us. The boy realized his mistake and he was sorry for that. Then Mr. Roy forgave him and walked back into his house. मिस्टर रॉय ने उस लड़के को सबक सिखाया कि जो भी प्रकृति में जो भी चीज़ें हैं वो भगवान द्वारा बनाई गई है। हमें उनसे प्रेम से व्यवहार करना चाहिए। जब हम दूसरों से प्रेम से व्यवहार करेंगे तो वो भी हमसे प्रेम करेंगे और गॉड भी हमसे प्रेम करेंगे, भगवान भी हमसे प्रेम करेंगे। ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ लुक हियर, सम वर्ड्स आर हियर. I write their meanings. Look here. Word meaning. Word meaning. First, sandwich. Sandwich. Slices of bread. Slices of bread. B-R-E-A-D, bread. With a layer. With a layer of food between them. Now, yelp. Y-E-L-P-E-D. Yelp. Gave a sharp cry. Gave a sharp cry of pain. दर्द से कराहना जिसको बोलते हैं yelp. दर्द से कराहना. Okay. Now instead of, in place of. Okay. Stretched. Extended. Pushed out. Now children, look here. Word meaning. Sandwich. Sandwich means slices of bread with a layer of food between them. Yelp. Yelp means gave a sharp cry of pain. Instead of means in place of. Stretched means extended. Pushed out. Okay. Now children, look at the question answers. Question number 1. Question number 1. What was Mr. Roy doing in his room? What was Mr. Roy doing in his room? Children, tell me, what was Mr. Roy doing in his room? Mr. Roy was reading a newspaper in his room. Mr. Roy was reading a newspaper. Okay. Question number 2. How was the boy holding his bag? How was the boy holding his bag? Holding his bag. Okay. Answer. He had slung it over his shoulder. Slung is a past tense of sling. Sling का मतलब होता है लटकाना, है ना? He had slung it over his shoulder. उसने अपना बैग अपने कंधों पे टांगा हुआ, लटकाया हुआ. Question number 3. What did the boy take out of his bag? Take out of his bag. What did the boy take out of his bag? Children, tell me, उसने अपने बैग से क्या निकाला था? Yes, सैंडविच निकाला था. क्या निकाला था? सैंडविच. He took sandwich out of his bag. Now, question number 4. What did the dog do when the boy showed it his sandwich? What did the dog do when the boy showed it his sandwich? जब लड़के ने सैंडविच दिखाया तो डॉग ने क्या किया? It started wagging its tail. उसने अपना पूंछ हिलाया, है ना? It started wagging its tail. Wagging मतलब हिलाना. आपने देखा है कुत्तों को, वो अपनी पूंछ ऐसे हिलाते हैं. Okay, children. We'll see next question answers in my next video. Okay, thank you.